Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to contact the Royal Bank of Scotland customer service. So what you're going to do is get to the official webpage, and then at the top right corner you will see the button contact us. Now if we also scroll down, we will also see here customer service. So we have number right over here. We can apply online, and yeah, we have also different option to apply also. Now if we click on contact us, you will be transferred here, so you can type your question right over here. But here uh, at the bottom you can also search for most uh, common questions and find your answer right straightforward on this web page. But if you don't find, you can uh, put your question right over here, or you can call this number right here. And yeah, this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next